I'd like to start this video off with there's nothing wrong with still running Glocks. They're not the new hotness, you know. Pretty much they ain't changing forever. But there's nothing wrong with still running Glock. Glock will get you out of trouble. Glock will do what it's supposed to do. But this video is about you pretty much they had redid, what's the word I'm looking for? They have came up with the new improved versions of Glock. Has better terminology. What I'm trying to say is, instead of getting a Glock 19, you can get a Walter. You can get the new Canic. There's a new hotness. You know, if you want a Glock 17, instead of getting the Glock 17, get the new hotness, the Springfield Echelon. But two guns they have not came up with to replace. There's a word I'm looking for. Two guns they never replaced from Glock. Glock 20 and a Glock 40. No guns have replaced it. SIG tried and failed with their X10 20 millimeter. It's an okay gun, but it's not a Glock 20. Fail. There's no, unless you go to, you know, a metal gun. I'm pretty sure it's a 1911s or 2011s, a 10 millimeter, 6-inch gun or so. But these two guns, no manufacturer has replaced. So you get these two guns, you're good business. Now, if you can tell me what 10 millimeter Glock 20 can replace this, and please don't say that Smith & Wesson 10 millimeter. No, it does not. Trust me, I have it. It does not. And again, 6 hour does not. Short video is, I'm staying by what I'm saying. These two guns have yet to be replaced. Glock 34, get a Canic rival, pretty much better than the Glock 34. Glock 19 we talked about. Glock 17 we talked about. Granted, they got the 47, the 49. And I'm going to go with, I haven't tried them all, but I've still never came across something better than my Glock 48. But I'm pretty sure it is. That's why I didn't put that out here. It's just that I ain't came across it. I haven't shot it yet. You know, these little micro guns, it just don't do it for me. They're either too small or too snappy. A Glock 48 does it for me. But I'm going to go with these 10 millimeters. No manufacturer has replaced these two guns. So you need these two guns in your collection. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know where I'm crazy or where I'm right. Thank you.